Let's get on to Yara.
आपको अगर विद्युत का नंबर चाहिए तो मैं दे दूंगा।
मेरे पास है पूजा का नंबर।
मैं विद्युत का नंबर कहीं भी दे देता हूँ।
So we can actually start on that note. Vidyut, I'm sitting with your friends. आपके यार हैं, आपके यारों का यार अभी आने वाला है अमित साथ। तो विजय, ये क्या बात है, विद्युत का नंबर किसी को भी दे देते हो? ये कैसी यारी?
दोस्ती यही होती है, कोई चाहता है विद्युत से बात करना होगा, मेरा दोस्त है, बात कर तू।
मेरे जितने भी दोस्त हैं बोर्डिंग स्कूल के, आज भी मुझे रात को 12:30, 1, 1:30 बजे फोन कर देते हैं, and they normally when they drink a bit and they call me, and that's my favorite part of the month or the week when they call me up and I make sure I pick up the phone and वो पहले शुरुआत करेंगे गाली सुनाने से, कह रहे तू फोन नहीं उठाता, तू बड़ा आदमी बन गया, that's for 5 seconds, and after that 40-50 seconds are just loving me. ये ले इससे बात करिए, मेरा बचपन का, they will make me speak to everybody, and for me one of my biggest achievements have been that where these guys call me and I entertain the call and I really get entertained. So जैसे विजय कह रहा है, मुझे बहुत मजा आते हैं सब करने में.
And as we are talking, the यारों का यार Amit has joined us.
Hi Pooja.
Good to see you.
I'm sorry. भाई मैं खाना खा रहा था, माफी चाहूंगा. मेरे को जैसे पता चला आप लोग छोड़े, मैं खाना छोड़ के आ गया हूँ.
अरे तुम्हारे बारे में इतनी बातें हो गई कि तुम्हारी जरूरत ही नहीं है, सिर्फ तुम्हारे बारे में
कहानी सुनी. मैं बोल दूं हाय पूजा.
हाय
पूजा. I want to add to that. विद्युत you remember हम लोग जब काठमांडू पहुंचे और हम गाड़ी में चले गए थे और हमने जो आप बता रहे हो आपके साथ लोग करते हैं, जो हमने भी लोगों के साथ किया था,
ये बता दो ना. This is I'm very curious about.
विद्युत ही बताएगा, उसी की कहानी है. उसी ने किया था ये.
मैं और अमित हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि यार लोग हमें फोन करते हैं, हम उनके फोन उठा लेते हैं और वो हमारे साथ जलील हरकतें करते हैं. शुरू में हमने भी अपने सब दोस्तों को फोन किया, उनमें से एक विजय वर्मा भी था रात को, और हमने विजय का इतना मजाक उड़ाया, गुस्सा हो गया रात को, and we were like it was quite late in the night and we were quite happy and high. So it was also an experience.
और ऐसा नहीं था कि गुस्सा हो गया हो तो चुप बैठ जाएं, नहीं, और
हाँ ये गुस्सा हो रहा है, हम और इसे सुना रहे हैं.
So was Kenny the Buddha in the gang? The Chokri gang?
The समझदार आदमी.
Yeah, the guy who generally stays quiet and looks around and makes sure that things aren't going all to hell.
And they stay out of trouble. Okay, let's now come to the film. So, I mean, tell me about the Chokri gang. What was it like? It's the 70s show. I'm sure none of you were born in the 70s. I was. I'm the only 70s kid here. So, but what was it like replicating the 70s show, your look, and coming together for this film?
So for Yara, the first thing, Pooja, whatever visuals you've seen till now, huge kind of credit goes to our DOP. You know, he's like, Rishi sir is like, he's a master of his craft. And if you see, I would like to also talk about Tishu sir, Digmanshu Dhulia. You know, his cinema, you know, Hasil, you know. So I think this, for me, like this film has a little bit element of all the films that he's made. You know, and if you know him, if you spend time with him also, वो भी यारों के यार हैं. He likes, you know, धमा चौकड़ी, and so मुझे लगता है वो जो चौकड़ी गैंग जो नाम आया होगा, वो आएगा धमा चौकड़ी. Like 10-20 लोग, दोस्ती, यारी, मोहब्बत. I just think in terms of Yara, and ये मैं सबके लिए बोलूँगा, विद्युत, केनी, विजय, मैं, हम लोग का एक बहुत organic bond बना है.
How cool am I, dude?
Hey, beautiful.
This is rediscovering life.
Hi, beautiful. How are you?
Vijay, I want to see the neon shots for a second. Can you stand up for us?
Okay, so
Vijay, stand up for a second.
Dude. Oh, dude. नहीं दिख रहा?
Thanks, Vijay.
The neon band.
तुम बहुत शार्प हो यार विजय, मानना पड़ेगा, इसलिए तुम उम्दा एक्टर बने हो जिंदगी में. ये सीखना पड़ेगा.
Minutely observe.
So
लड़कों पे कमर, लड़कियों पे ज्यादा रखो तुम. आगे बताओ.
So yeah, so we all kind of bonded in a very organic way, in a very, you know, in a not in a typical way the actor comes and just kind of pretends and thinks, you know. So हम लोग का अलग bond बना धीरे धीरे. And Yara is a fun film. It is a film set in an era जहाँ पे actually real दोस्ती होती थी, you know. And you see these young kids जो 4-5 साल के हैं, अनाथ हैं, माँ बाप नहीं हैं, और किस तरह ये सड़कों पे फिरौती करके छोटी हरकतें शैतानी करते करते बड़े हो जाते हैं और बहुत अपने जो उनका महकमा है उसमें ये किस तरह क्राइम की दुनिया में how they rise. And amidst all that, it's a story about their friendship and complications, and there's a whole journey of them from 4 years to 25 years to...
हो गया अमित हो गया slow clap विजय slow clap
मुझे लगा 2 मिनट तो एक इंटरव्यू में पिक्चर की बात कर लेते. That's it. I'm done.
Vijay Kenny Vidyut, 70s show, the Chowkily Gang, Fagun, the most charismatic. फागुन की बहुत प्रेज होए जा रही है, बाकियों का भी मैं वेट कर रही हूँ.
फागुन actually I was supposed to play.
इसको नाम पसंद नहीं है, इसने कहा मैं नहीं करूँगा.
हाँ.
And you want to be Mithwa?
I was born to play the role I was playing.
Oh wow.
He started prepping for it in FTI.
Vijay, बताओ ना, you were born to play this role, so your whole experience.
No, so I'm a big lover of 70s. I saw my parents' wedding pictures, I remember as a child, and I saw my father wearing a white bell-bottom suit, and all the Baratis were wearing bell-bottom pants and they had those hair. So it always, like, it looked gorgeous. And I remember when I was approached for this film, I told Tishu sir, bell-bottom? It's like, aur kya, chaukas. So when we eventually tried the outfits and stuff, it just felt home. Like I felt like I belonged to the 70s. I also saw a bunch of films from that time to kind of get back into the Bollywood of the 70s. It was a lot of fun, and this is actually Tishu sir's homage to the 70s, to the 60s, to the 90s.
And if I may add, Vijay did a lot of research for that era.
Watermelon
as well.
Yeah.
The dance steps that he had looked up, they actually came in use during one of the songs, during one of the dance steps on the bridge. So that was one time that all that hard work and research really came good for him.
So Kenny, you play Bahadur. So what was your experience like with this whole Hollywood of the 70s? Look at them laughing away. Chalo, hum log baat kar lete hain.
These guys are playing some umbrella prank which we don't know of, and they're on their own. They don't touch.
बारिश हो रही है, मूर्ख यहाँ पे.
वो कह रहा है कि मैं अगर प्रमोशन करता हूँ
तो अभी अमित के आने से पहले हमने जिक्र किया था ना, ये ऐसा दोस्त है, अगर मैं बोलूंगा धूप है तो ये बोलेगा धूप. आपने देखा ना,
वो चाहता है कि बेटा ये भी ले आया अपना.
बिना सुने
मेरा जूस आ रहा है बॉटल में.
ठीक है.
ओके, केनी को बोलने दो.
मैंने दोनों मंगवा लिए, वाटरमेलन भी और बीट रूट, क्योंकि दोनों लाल है.
Very sorry.
So, I was just going to say that in this film, all the departments have come together really nicely. And Rishi Sato has been a master of framing and camera movement and everything. And while we were shooting, I sometimes thought, is shot ki kya zarat hai, or I mean, what on earth? But then when you see the end result on the screen, it turns out really fantastic. And even our production designer, Shweta, he has done an amazing job. The Bhopalwala set, where the Chowkily Gang had their adda, the machines and contraptions that he built over there. And then, so that was one of the best sets of all. Then you have the costumes, the 70s era looks that were done by Samar Chauhan and Shabi Sharma. So
और हम लोग ऐसे ही घूम रहे थे, सबने अच्छा किया और हम लोग ऐसे ही घूम रहे थे.
हमने कुछ नहीं
किया, हम सिर्फ वहाँ पे थे. Can you come to us? That's more entertaining.
Talk about it.
Kenny, you have any memory about us?
Actually, how did you deal with these three? As I said, the Buddha and the gang.
Can you ask that question to us?
हाँ, Kenny, बोलो.
बोल दे Kenny आज.
I was most of the time observing ये सब क्या हो रहा है, ये सब क्यों हो रहा है. When these three were around.
खोल दे आज, प्यार का सागर खोल दे, प्यार के सागर में डुबो दे हमको आज.
So after the observing them, what was your conclusion?
Well, I've come away with very high opinions of them as actors and professionals.
But not as human beings.
He's thinking hard. He doesn't think. We're terrible human beings.
This morning I was remembering the scene where I and Amit have a bit of a tiff and I chase him around with an axe. So while I was doing that scene, during the take, I remember suddenly thinking, this guy's got such a lot of energy. And then I remembered, okay, I must keep this level of energy in mind someday in future when I'm doing something like this. I've also mentioned that I had the same feel when auditioning with Vijay. But that's one thing I've learned from these two guys, the level of energy that they bring into every shot that they do.
Awesome. And Vidyut, for once, I'm not seeing you in fatigues, fighting for the nation. यहाँ तो gangster mode है थोड़ा बहुत. आप बताओ. Phagun, the most charismatic.
ये अपना मतलब क्या है, फाइटिंग तो चलती रहनी चाहिए, कभी नेशन के लिए, कभी दोस्तों के लिए, कभी अपने हक के लिए. So we are fighting survival of the fittest. So it's not always the nation. Sometimes the nation is made out of friends, and this time I'm fighting for my friends.
Awesome. So what was it like for you? What was your takeaway from Yara and that whole?
Pooja, honestly, for me, it was too early for me to be playing a character from the age of 20 to 50. बहुत दिग्गज एक्टर इतना अच्छा रोल उनको मिलता है normally, and the four of us, I really think we all got blessed with this. So incredible. I didn't ask for so much. I got more than what I really asked for. This movie is one of the validations of it. When you'll watch it, you'll know that so early in your life, it's too early for us to be playing this, and we've done a great job. I feel really proud of it.
And also, guys, do you also feel nowadays, I mean, there's no black or white in screen. No one is like the good guy. No one is like the bad guy. We are also trying to humanize the so-called bad boys, like the gangster and all, with the kind of narratives.
Yeah, I hear you.
What?
No, yaar, yahan pe kya hai ki we are talking, there's no such thing as bad or good. Pooja, over here we are talking about friends and their journey into whatever they did. There's nothing right or wrong. And with friends, like before we started this interview, we were talking about दोस्त पता है कैसे होते हैं, उनको अपने दोस्त में हर चीज सही लगती ही है. मैंने अगर ऐसा किया तो उसको भी लगेगा ऐसा ही है. And that's what forms groups and unions. And honestly, I didn't complete the previous one, is that हम चारों में बहुत अच्छी दोस्ती हुई है यार. इतनी अच्छी दोस्ती होना आज के जमाने में, वो भी फिल्म सेट पे, नहीं होती है. Where you go back home and you really call up people. Like Amit and I once called and abused Vijay. We didn't want to give him love because we've given him so much love. हमने सोचा इसको खूब गालियां सुनाते हैं और हमने बहुत
वापस ले लेते हैं.
नहीं, वो भी मोहब्बत है. तुमने उसके अंदर मोहब्बत देखी नहीं तुमने. उसके अंदर ज्यादा मोहब्बत थी. But I want to add to what Vidyut said. I read this line a couple of years back that it's not like about the mistake and the friend. And when it comes to the mistakes of the friend, I don't care about the mistake, but I'm with my friend.
Well said. So it's true. It's true. You don't find friendships like this. But honestly, all four of you, personally, I'm saying as an audience or as a person as well, you've inspired me in so many ways. The way you have strived, the way you have struggled, and the way you have succeeded. I'm just talking about with the change in narratives and the platforms of what we are living through. Do you feel now the star system is now going to turn on its head because people want actors and they want to see characters rather than star-driven vehicles?
Intellectual सवाल के जवाब कौन देने वाला था?
Vijay and Kenny. I am Mitwa.
I see a tremendous change happening. Good actors are always respected. They never not found respect. But the kind of the level playing field that we are talking about right now is slowly happening. I wouldn't know. It's a very silly thing, but people like say the pap like a Viral or a Manav wouldn't want to post your pictures. Suddenly they are reaching out to me and they're asking for pictures and stuff. So things I can see that there's some kind of a change. Let's see how long it lasts. But it doesn't stop me from doing what I want to do. It can be an obstacle. There could be an obstacle that looks very big. I can't climb over it, but I try my best, and that's the way to go about it. I have nothing else to do in this life. I have no other skill set, and this is the only passion that I have, and I'm going to fight for it. I'm going to fight for my sport, and anybody who is actually working right now is a success story for me. The measurements given by the outside from the trade or whatever industry insiders and stuff, I don't play that game with them. I don't want to participate in their game. I feel like we can innovate a new game.
If I might add my 2 cents over here, I think that for an audience person, it'll always be star driven. Even me, like the other day, brother asked me if I wanted to watch a film, and I asked who's in it, and he said Mark Ruffalo. Yeah. We were going to watch Dark Waters. So I said, okay, let's watch it. Then Just Mercy, I asked who's in it. He said Michael B. Jordan. Let's watch it. So that's always going to be there. People are always going to watch films depending on who the stars are. But now what's happening is that a lot of good actors, people who've got through on the basis of their hard work and talent and dedication, these people are becoming the new stars, people like Vidyut, people like Amit and Vijay. So these are the people who now have become names for the audience, whom the audience, acha, ye banda hai, theek hai, I'll watch this. So you see in the comment sections on YouTube, how many people have so much love for these three guys. So these people are among the new crop of stars now. So we are moving into that age where a genuinely talented, genuinely hardworking person can make it big.
Kenny, it's the list is incomplete.
Yeah, incomplete, exactly. You are, yeah, I mean, exactly. So Kenny is somebody he's actually breaking a very big, it's a major breakthrough here right now. What we're seeing with Kenny coming out as one of the leading man in a Bollywood motion.
I so agree, because now we are taking a talent pool from across.
And this it's a grand story. We will have to wait till 30th for people to watch it, but I know it for a fact that this is a saga that Tigmanshu Dhulia, it's a ballad by Tigmanshu Dhulia. He's given homage to everything that he's inspired with. There's rock music, there's 70s, there's dialogue bazi, there's action, there's drama, and he's a big sucker for drama, Tigmanshu
Dhulia. And Vijay's bell bottoms.
Everybody's bell bottoms and Amit's chest hair. And
some bottoms more than others.
विद्युत को भूल गए हम सब अब.
And
विद्युत को नहीं भूल सकते.
Vidyut's chiseled body.
Vidyut, आप भी कुछ बोलो. I was so proud of you when you spoke up about the digital and releases. So your two bits on this.
Vidyut.
यार सीन क्या है कि I heard this a lot, that people started calling me up and saying that I'm so proud of you and it has nothing to do with you. I didn't, like, for me, अगर मुझे कोई compliment भी देता है ना पूजा, I've been trained as a martial artist for 40 years now, and I don't accept it, neither do I reject it. If somebody says good things about me, they don't affect me. If they say bad things about me, they don't affect me. What has happened with me is what I feel is what I do, and that's my only story. If I feel like doing something, I will do it. There's nothing, what will happen, nothing. This is how I've been living my life, and I'm enjoying it. Like two bits, there are no two bits of it. I woke up one morning and I just had a thought and I tweeted it. So that's simple as it sounds.
Very true. And also OTT releases, I don't know how long it's going to stay versus, theaters. I don't know when we are going there. But somewhere it's also, artists feel it's liberated them from that box office, who's watching it, kitne shows, and since it's available to a larger audience and you can watch it whenever you want to. What do you as actors feel?
Pooja, sorry, I have to continue with what we were talking about. यार सीन क्या है कि अब चेंज आया है नहीं आया है वो सब मुझे पता नहीं. वो तो देख के ही पता लगेगा what the future holds for us. But what I can tell you is that what is constant since the time I have entered this industry is if you have fire within you, and it is burning so bright, nobody can stop you from being who you're meant to be. And this is my observation. I see people come and they leave the city. I see people come and say, I'm not successful. If your fire is burning, no bloody person can come and cover it up. Amit, क्या बोलते हो इसके बारे में? जैसे यार nepotism के बारे में आप
word by word.
मतलब seriously यार, आपको पता है मैं आज ही हम लोग कहीं और बात कर रहे थे कि क्या nepotism? My father was in the army. My mama died in the 1971 war. We've had people from every strata in the army. We knew that the battlefront will kill some people. My grandmother, everybody knows. मगर इससे फौज में भर्ती होना थोड़ा ही बंद कर देते हैं. वैसे ही अगर एक सपना है और एक एम्बिशन है, हम फिल्म इंडस्ट्री आते हैं, कैसे रोक सकता है यार? This is how we've come ready with it. Nobody has the right to do it. But यार सीन क्या है कि जब फौज में भर्ती होते हैं ना, हम लोग अपने जितने फौजी होते हैं उनको मदद करते हैं कि अरे तुम भी घुसो. The only difference that I see in this industry, Pooja, is क्या है कि हम लोग you should help everybody you know. Like I will help my son, I will help Amit's son, I will help Kenny's son, Vijay, I'm not very sure. I'll help his daughter. But I will help everybody. But I will not stop anybody else from being helped.
I so agree.
किसी को ऊपर करने के लिए दूसरे को नीचे मत करो.
I agree with you.
जैसे फौज में भी भर्ती होती है, बिजनेसमैन अपने बेटे को बिजनेस में बढ़ाता है यार, कोई और किसी में करता है, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ मत करो, 100% करो, then what is friendship, what is a friendship all about? You should help. I'm just saying, do not stop somebody else from making.
Don't shut the door for others.
I so agree with you all, and
I differ with this whole metaphor or analogy when people say कि businessman का बेटा वो business करेगा, वो तो soccer player का बेटा soccer player बनेगा, तो उसको skill set मतलब there has to be.
skill set तो जरूरत है ना.
Yeah, there has to be.
नहीं विजय वो soccer का player soccer नहीं बनेगा.
Sports बहुत अलग चीज है.
But soccer
बहुत अलग चीज है. So no, you have to deliver on the field.
बाबू.
You will only be selected.
Yes, but soccer के player की उसकी वो blessing है कि उसके पिता की वजह से, dad की वजह से, he'll be more on the ground. His opportunity to get ready will be different from somebody who'll come from a village somewhere. So what Vidyut is trying to say
soccer के player को भी बनाओ. If I am if I am Ronaldo, I will make sure my son plays, but I will not stop somebody else's son from being given the fair ground. I'm just saying that.
उसको भी ground मिलेगा. Exactly. That's
दो ना यार 100%. मैं कह रहा हूँ चाचे को भी दो, किसी को भी दो यार.
Coming back to that 70s show, आपका सबसे favorite, I mean, do the four of you have a superstition or do you do something before a take? किसी का कोई quirk है? Now since four of you एक दूसरे का बता दो, secrets बता दो या क्या observation है वो बता दो.
We are
pretty much I just make sure not to forget lines.
He just makes sure that he doesn't want to forget lines.
Yeah, because then with Tissue Sir shouts, he gets angry.
और किसी का कुछ नहीं है, सब विद्युत के बारे में बता रहे हैं.
नहीं मैं तो टिश्यू सर के दिग्मांशु दूल्हे के बारे में बता रहा हूँ.
No, I don't remember having anything set. Like I keep changing for different films, but it's just basically you have to be bringing yourself to the scene, to the present moment. And
विजय, जब हम जारा की शूटिंग कर रहे थे, तुम कितनी पिक्चरें कर रहे थे उस समय?
कितनी पिक्चरें कर रहे थे? कुछ नहीं कर रहा था, एक ही फिल्म कर रहा था.
अच्छा नहीं, अभी तुमने कहा ना, you're always busy changing.
But you know, Pooja, when we were shooting for Yara, I've spoken about it, and I really, because I had witnessed Vijay perform, and I knew it, and that very first go that this guy is going to be a star very soon. I didn't know it will happen so soon for him. But जैसे दो लोग हैं जिनके बारे में मैं बहुत गर्व से करता हूँ. Not, I have nothing to do with them, but I was fortuitous enough to work with them. One is Vijay Varma and one is Jaideep Panabat. मैंने इन दोनों के साथ काम किया और मेरी पहली इंस्टिंक्ट थी बहुत बड़ा आदमी है, और ये दोनों बन गए यार. So for me, what I take out of Yara is, oh my God, I feel so proud of this boy यार. अमित साध का तो क्या था कि we knew, अमित साध को तो आप कहीं पे भी डाल दोगे वो उत्तम नंबर पे ही आता है. क्या बोलता है विजय, इसकी है खासियत. He will give it in his life, he will break his head, but Amit is like that. He's been, since I've known him, there's no change in him, not at all. But Vijay makes me very proud. Like Kenny, when I get to know about him from Assam, like recently my friend was shooting in Assam and he told me that, तुम Kenny को जानते हो? मैंने कहा अरे अपना तो जिगरी दोस्त है, उससे बात नहीं की बहुत दिनों से.
Yeah. We're just very proud of each other. We are proud of each other. What we
and that's the way it should be. And it's a friendship day release.
And in a very genuine way. Like, you know, we are very proud of it.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, this film definitely, I feel like it's not really a marketing ploy, but genuinely a friendship day film that the friendship day deserves. Like, this
अगर
is something...
आप you know, रख लो 1 घंटे का शो रख लो जिसमें आप बोलो चलो आप एक दूसरे के बारे में बोलो. I can guarantee you कि आप 10 मिनट से ज्यादा या 5 मिनट से ज्यादा बात नहीं कर पाएंगे. You know, और हम 1 घंटा कर पाएंगे, हम 2 घंटा कर पाएंगे. You know,
just amazing to see that positivity and bonhomie and positivity amongst the four of you, and I'm sure it's going to reflect in the movie too. जाते जाते ये बता दो आपका सबसे फेवरेट 70 शो कौन सा है? जो आई नो विजय ने तो सब देख लिया, बट वो होता है ना एक्टर्स बैठ तो क्या आपने मार्लन ब्रांडो को कवर कर दिया. अमित आपके पीछे ब्रांडो है ना?
अरे हमारे सामने मार्लन ब्रांडो है, हमारे सामने मार्लन ब्रांडो है, हीरे हमारे.
गलती हो गई तो माफ कर देना.
अरे बता दो ना 70s का तो आपके लिए फेवरेट क्या है, और a series that you would want to do.
I was not born.
I know, I said none of you were born except me. मगर आप लोग बता दो, कुछ तो देखा होगा.
नहीं मतलब उस दौर में कि उस दौर का
उस दौर का या उस दौर में, if there was something that you could do. So
Godfather.
And also about the music of the movie.
Everything. It was the Doors was playing. There was Jim Morrison playing, creating crazy music in the 70s. There was De Niro and Martin Scorsese coming out in Taxi Driver and so on and so forth. There was Coppola with Godfather. There was Ramesh Sippy Saab with Sholay. There was Diwar. There was Zanjeer. There was everything. 70s was packed with activities and innovation and artistic breakthroughs. It was a great time, and I'm glad we had the. Amit is making notes. लिखने ना भाई. So I'm just अगले इंटरव्यू में यूज करेगा मेरे डायलॉग. So
the music of the film has also turned out quite great. Tishu sir is a very 70s music kind of person. Yeah. He plays guitar and he used to perform in college himself.
Yeah. So
the music has turned out a very rocky and a very energetic soundtrack has come out of it. The first song has come out yesterday.
True.
I'm sure the songs will turn out quite good and they'll become popular, I'm sure.
And now जाते विद्युत और आप अमित आप कुछ बता दो पिक्चर के म्यूजिक के बारे में या द 70s के दौर के बारे में.
अरे अभी तो बात किया थी 70s के बारे में.
अच्छा ऊपर आई कैन सी ब्रांडो.
हाँ एक काम आप ब्रांडो से ही बात कर लो.
अरे ब्रांडो आई वाज नेवर अ फैन ऑफ ब्रांडो. इट वाज ऑलवेज जेम्स डीन फॉर मी. सो
हाँ जेम्स डीन.
अरे वो जेम्स डीन वाला पोस्टर लाओ. मेरे पास कोई पोस्टर वो लगा देता इसको अटैक.
हमें छूट गया है भेजा.
नहीं इंटरव्यू मेरा
क्लोज चेंज करना पड़ेगा.
आई एम ऑफेंडेड बॉस. मान ब्रांडो के बारे में तूने ऐसा बोला.
मैंने बोला
नहीं आपसे नहीं अमित से.
मेरे को आई मीन जेम्स डीन ओवर ब्रांडो. सो इट्स ओके. सो एनीवेज म्यूजिक ऑफ यारा before as we wrap up, what was that like?
As Kenny said, it's I think it's very it's a fresh sound. It's a nice new sound. We've just released a song जो लोगों को अच्छा लगा है. And Revant or Amit Chauhan also, I think, has given a song. But I think it's the credit for the music of Yara goes to Tigmanshu sir. He has a very certain ear, to a certain sound. I would like to believe it's a different sound. There's a lot of rock in it. There's a lot of Yarana in the music. And I hope when it comes out, I have a feeling people will like. Also the visuals. I think जो visuals हैं हमारी मस्ती के और हमारी तफरी के और हमारी बेहोशी के, I hope लोगों को अच्छी लगे.
And you know, Pooja, the thing is, for the younger generation, I'm talking about the people who are now in the 15 to 25 bracket. उन्होंने उतना नहीं सुना है 70s के दशक के बारे में जितना हम लोगों ने सुना है कि 70s was so cool, 70s was so cool. They will witness what really 70s was. They were cool, they were free, they were loving everything. They were everything that was spoken about the 70s that they have no idea about. They'll witness it over here, and they will really know why people loved it, from the dressing, from the uninhibited behavior. That's what it was, and that's what
the love between people in 70s, friendship. Yeah. You know, the free spiritedness and कैसे लोग एक दूसरे के लिए जीते थे, एक दूसरे के लिए कुर्बान हो जाते थे.
So but they've shot it very nice. I'm so glad that we are a part of a movie where people will really relive the 70s.
Yeah. Awesome talking to you guys, all of you. The 70s show. Thank you for bringing it back to us. And
thank you.
Cheers to you, your friendship, and to the film. Lovely talking to you all. As I said, the four of you totally inspire me, and keep doing the work that you do. Thank you.
Jai Hind.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pooja.
Thank you.
Bye. This was fun, Pooja. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Great conversation, Pooja.
Thank you so much, guys.